And it's that time of the year where we start preparing for winter. I've already taken 1 box of honey off this hive and left 1 box, one for the bees to get through winter and one for us. Thank you very much. So I'm not going to do a full inspection, just going to check that the bees have got a good amount of honey, and you can tell by the weight. I try and lift this. Yep. That's going to get them through the winter. Wonderful. One thing beekeepers have to do at this time of the year is we have to treat for Varroa. Varroa reached the UK in the 90s, and this is why bees in the environment struggle, and it's bees that are with a beekeeper who treat and keep the Varroa numbers down that thrive. So what I'm going to do here, well, I've got one on my veil, is I'm going to take the queen guard off to get a bit of space to put the treatment in. I'll put all those bees down there, they'll make their way back. Bees are looking quite happy. Do you want me to just show people the bees? There they are. And you can see some of that lovely honey that's actually cracked open as I took the box off. I shall put this on top. And this is what we use. This is called Apiguard. It's totally organic, and it's very good for, I should have done this before I put my gloves on.
No,
Just about got that corner that I'm peeling away. Derek, could I hand that to you to just peel for me? I can show the bees again. They're coming up through that hole there, and this is where I'm going to put the Apiguard. They'll come up, they'll coat their bodies with it and go back into the hive and spread it around, and that will kill the majority of the Varroa mites. It's a 4-week treatment, so in another 2 weeks I do have to come back, remove this tray and put another one on. So this honey is just for the bees, so it doesn't matter that the Varroa treatment's on. Wouldn't do it if we were taking any more honey for human consumption, but that's theirs. So I'll put the lid back on, and that's fine for 2 weeks. And when I do come back, I'll do the other things we need to do for winter, such as put the mouse guard over the door so no mice get in there and steal their honey during the winter. Thanks for watching.